Describe a speech you gave, when and to whom you gave the speech. What was the speech about? Why you gave the speech? How did you feel about it? Well, in my life, I have given a number of speeches on different topics, but the most memorable one is the one that I gave regarding drugs at my school. I delivered this speech on June 5th, 2023, on the occasion of World Environment Day, to an audience comprising community leaders invited at my school, fellow students and their parents. The event took place in the auditorium of the school, which was decorated with the posters regarding the consequences of proper disposal of drugs. The primary focus of my speech was to shed light on the critical issue of drug disposal and its detrimental effects on our environment. I aimed to raise awareness about the potential dangers posed by improper disposal methods and to emphasize the importance of responsible drug disposal as a means of safeguarding our ecosystems. I delivered this speech because the improper disposal of drugs has become a growing concern, leading to adverse environmental consequences. I firmly believe that education and awareness are the keys to bring positive change. By addressing this topic, I hope to inspire individuals and communities to adopt responsible drug disposal practices, mitigating the damage caused to our environment. While delivering it, I felt a mix of emotions: passion, concern, and determination. Seeing the attentive faces of the audience members, knowing that my words had the potential to make a difference, filled me with a sense of purpose. It was humbling to stand before a gathering of individuals who shared a common goal of environmental preservation. Their support and engagement fueled my enthusiasm and reinforced my belief in the power of collective action. Why do people get nervous when they speak in public? People often get nervous when speaking in public due to a combination of factors. Firstly, the fear of judgment or criticism from others can create anxiety. Secondly, the pressure to perform well and meet expectations can be overwhelming. The spotlight and attention directed at the speaker can also cause self-consciousness. Lastly, the fear of forgetting or stumbling over words can further contribute to nervousness. How people can improve their public speaking skills? Well, there are a number of ways by which people can become a good public speaker. Firstly, they can enhance their confidence by holding regular conversations with different people every day. As well as there are many mobile applications through which individuals can talk to strangers about random topics for a fixed period of time. For example, Omegle, Azar, and so on are such popular apps. What different kinds of lectures or speeches have you attended in your life? I am a very curious person, and I like to attend various types of seminars and lectures whenever I get an opportunity. Particularly, I go to such speeches which are mostly hosted by famous motivational speakers who talk about topics like business management, personality development, and so on. Last month, I went to Sandeep Maheshwari's Talent Hunt seminar. What qualities should visiting speakers have? Visiting speakers should possess several key qualities. Firstly, they should have expertise and in-depth knowledge in their field or subject matter, ensuring they can provide valuable insights and information to the audience. The effective communication skills are essential, enabling them to engage and captivate the listeners. Apart from it, adaptability is crucial, as they should be able to tailor their presentation style and content to suit the specific audience and event. Why do many people find it hard to give a talk to young children? Many people find it hard to give a talk to young children because they may struggle to simplify complex concepts into easily understandable language. Young children have limited attention spans, so it can be challenging to hold their interest throughout the talk. Moreover, young children often ask unexpected and difficult-to-answer questions, which can make adults feel unprepared or unsure of how to respond. Why do many people give speech to children? Many people give speeches to children to educate and inspire them. Speeches can convey important information and teach children about various subjects. They can also motivate children to pursue their dreams and overcome challenges. Additionally, speeches can help develop communication and listening skills in children. Overall, giving speeches to children helps shape their knowledge, character, and potential for success. How media relates to the speech to children in school. Media plays a significant role in shaping the speech patterns and language development of children in school. Through various forms of media, such as television shows, movies, and online platforms, children are exposed to a wide range of language styles and vocabulary. Media can provide opportunities for children to practice and enhance their communication skills. Ultimately, media can serve as a powerful tool to support and enhance children's speech and language abilities in the school environment.